Today, we're gonna play sink or float. I'm gonna collect random items around the yard and drop them in the water to see if they sink or if they float. Go find some items. Come on! A volleyball! Do you think it sinks or it floats? Sunglasses! A marshmallow peep! This is my favorite Easter candy. Let's see if it sinks or floats. A water gun! An Easter egg! A baseball bat! Captain America shield. An apple. Let's see if it sinks or it floats. Oh, a brick. I think I know what this one's gonna do. Mini watermelon! I love watermelon. It's one of my favorite fruits. Let's see if it sinks or it floats. We have a weight. Sink or float? Which one do you think? A pirate sword. On guard. Sink or float? Time to throw each item into the pool. We're gonna start with an apple. My favorite fruit. Sink or float? It floats! Captain America. I think this is gonna float. Heavy brick. I think it's gonna sink. What do you think? Aye, aye, matey. Floating we go. I was right again. Breaking news. The Captain America shield started off floating, but now it's sunk to the bottom of the pool. A volleyball. It floats. An Easter egg. It floats. Here, batter, batter. What do you think the bat's gonna do? I don't know. Let's find out. Looks like it floats. We already know what this one's gonna do, but let's put it in just to find out. Yep, it sinks. Hello, little peep. I want to eat you, but we're gonna throw you in the pool instead. He floats like a rubber ducky, but made of marshmallows. after we throw it in, we can cut it up and eat it. Whoa! Watermelons are heavy, and that one floats. Peekaboo! I see you. Let's see if the sunglasses sink or float. Looks like they sink. Apple floats. Wait sinks. Watermelon floats. Rick sinks. Sunglasses sink. Captain America's shield sinks. Baseball bat floats. Pirate sword floats. And volleyball floats. Can't forget about the Easter egg. Also floats. This is Moony signing off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, wave to the moon goodnight for me.